Welcome back, guys. A huge news is out from CoinMarketCap, which is entirely better, not even the better, it is the best news for all the users, for all the traders, and for all the holders of cryptocurrency. At this time, CoinMarketCap basically acquired, you can say Binance already had the acquisition with CoinMarketCap. We are going to tell you number of news regarding this one, that why basically CoinMarketCap go under the umbrella of Binance. But before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. What had happened over here? First of all, I will tell you, you can see each and everything. CoinMarketCap and Binance have just announced an acquisition. Read the open letter from our founder and our CEO here. You can also see a small plunge in BTC price after this news. Basically, when it comes out, number of BTC is basically going to buy up by the traders. First of all, I will show you the letter, what they basically said in the letter. Here you can see a letter to our users post acquisition. Here you can see, following the recent acquisition news, Brandon Chess, the founder of CoinMarketCap, and Caroline Chan, the interim CEO, shared their personal thoughts with the user community. Here we all know basically the CoinMarketCap have a large community, even more than 80% of Binance exchange. But when Binance is going to buy CoinMarketCap, it definitely help Binance to improve its services, and even number of new traders will get up by Binance. So here you can see today is a big day for our industry. If you haven't heard the news, please read the announcement that outlines the details of Binance acquisition of CoinMarketCap. From my perspective, the single most important factor for deciding to join under the Binance umbrella was our shared vision for the future of crypto. How much money basically Binance has to pay to acquire for the whole acquisition of CoinMarketCap? That is a basic question. Right now, I'm going to tell you that one. Basically, the CEO of Binance, he basically said, Binance CEO explains why he bought CoinMarketCap. Here the thing is this: the largest cryptocurrency exchange by market volume has acquired popular data site CoinMarketCap. And as I told you, CoinMarketCap CMC has more than 80% of public, 80% of more traders on their platform at this time. And when Binance is going to acquire the CoinMarketCap, definitely Binance is going to take advantage from that. Here you can see, for an undisclosed price, the companies announced on Thursday. Binance CEO, the Mr. Changpeng Zhao, told to the CoinDesk the deal closed March 31, although a verbal agreement had been reached a few months ago. With its extensive, although often questionable, data on prices, volumes, and other metrics for 5290 cryptocurrencies, CMC has served as a dragnet for retail investors since its launch in 2013. Basically, CoinMarketCap was working from last 2013, and right now in 2020, as we all know, because so many, you can say, the big analyzers already told this thing that okay, in 2020, basically the whole analyzers told us that about 2 to 3 major acquisition will occur in 2020. So as per my point of view, it is one of the huge acquired, which basically it is basically the huge acquisition of CoinMarketCap by the Binance exchange. Here you can see it is a really good website, and I think we can help grow it further, Zhao said in an interview with CoinDesk on Thursday, adding he had no immediate plans for CMC. Zhao said that domain will remain independent from Binance under a holding company, perhaps staving off concerns over potential conflicts of interest. Here you can also see he basically added up over there, industry veterans told CoinDesk they see a future where CMC could serve as a marketing channel for Binance. As I told you above, that basically right now CMC has more than 80% of users than Binance Exchange. So definitely it will help Binance Exchange to gather more traders and more good buyers and whales. Here another article will show you and will clarify each and everything to you. Here you can see Binance acquisition of CoinMarketCap for $400 million. Seriously? 400 million? Wow, that is a great amount. Basically, Binance already paid $400 million to acquire CoinMarketCap. So here you can see the block, the cryptocurrency news site reports that Binance, a leading exchange, will acquire CoinMarketCap for a jaw-dropping $400 million. This amount makes it one of the largest acquisition of a coin tracking platform in the history. Here you can see CMC is indispensable for traders and investors. It lists over 2,000 tokens and coins and it attracts millions of unique visitors every month. Not every month, seriously, every day. So right now here you can see Binance CEO says independence is paramount. Okay, so the $400 million CoinMarketCap acquisition. It is a huge buy, seriously. CMC officially acquired by Binance chess leaves. After unofficial reports surfaced on March 31st, the official report on the Binance acquisition of CoinMarketCap, CMC is finally released from the official pages of both companies. As I told you, right now you can see in the CoinMarketCap main page where they basically announced the CoinMarketCap and Binance have just announced an acquisition. So right now they have an acquisition. It means now CMC is basically under the banner of Binance. But as he stated, basically Mr. Zahoo already stated one thing, that it is not like this that I don't want to take CoinMarketCap under it is basically under the banner of Binance, but I don't want to, he said, I don't want to take the name to you can say to change the name or to take under the banner of the Binance, but already it acquired CoinMarketCap. So for that very reason, you can see one basic thing right now, what is going to happen with BTC. Here you can see in maximum 1 hour, 9.12% BTC basically go up, only with one news that at this time, as I told you, that CoinMarketCap acquired by Binance. That is a huge news, and we already know that Binance is not a you can't say it that it is a new exchange. It is quite an old exchange, and a number of basically users are going over there every day for the trade. But still, CoinMarketCap is basically you can say CoinMarketCap CMC has more than 80% users than Binance, and number of users basically come towards CoinMarketCap every day to watch about the data, to watch about the prices and everything. So at this time, I must say basically Binance did a very you can say the very great job, and also very awesome job for themselves, because by this one they are definitely going to get great traders. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and also if you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly do subscribe my channel Expert Studio and press the bell icon. And if you are listening my voice first time, kindly do follow me on my social media. Then you are not going to miss any type of details and any type of latest news regarding crypto. Thanks a lot.